In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid policy violations on eBay, a comprehensive tutorial crafted for beginners. As an online marketplace, eBay has established a set of guidelines and rules which sellers must follow to ensure a smooth, penalty-free experience. Let's explore how you can easily navigate these guidelines to avoid any violations that could impact your eBay account. First and foremost, the key to avoiding policy violations is to familiarize yourself with eBay's selling policies. These guidelines cover a wide range of topics, from prohibited items to shipping policies and everything in between. By thoroughly understanding what eBay expects from its sellers, you'll already be a giant step ahead in maintaining a clean account. I recommend setting aside some quiet time to read through these policies in detail. eBay provides this information on their website, and this knowledge is invaluable in guiding your selling activities effectively. Once you've familiarized yourself with these rules, the next important step is listing your items accurately. Accurate listings mean providing clear, honest descriptions of the items you're selling. Include any specifications, dimensions, defects, or warranties. This transparency is crucial, not only to protect you from potential policy breaches, but also to build trust with your buyers. High-quality, well-lit photos can complement your detailed descriptions, showcasing your items in the best light and accurately reflecting their condition. Another vital aspect to consider is to steer clear of listing prohibited items. eBay strictly prohibits certain products, which can range from illegal goods to items that violate copyright laws, and even certain hazardous materials. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this list of banned items to ensure that none of them make it onto your eBay store. Selling prohibited items not only results in policy violations, but can also lead to repercussions much more serious, like account suspensions or even legal actions. Furthermore, keeping your listings up to date is essential. As circumstances around your items change, such as variations in stock levels, pricing, or item condition, make it a routine habit to adjust your listings accordingly. Regular updates ensure that information is current and can prevent misunderstandings that might lead to policy violations. In addition, it helps in maintaining a reputable seller profile, ensuring that your buyers always know exactly what they're purchasing. Remember, engaging with eBay's platform responsibly ensures a rewarding selling experience that's free from unnecessary stress or complications. By following these steps, reading the policies, listing accurately, avoiding prohibited items, and keeping your listings updated, you'll not only be adhering to eBay's guidelines, but also cultivating a trustworthy and successful seller account. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from a safe and smooth eBay selling experience. Happy selling!